Okay, Bethany. In English, when people say, "We laugh so hard," how do you say that in Hmong? Let's say if it was the two of you. We laugh so hard. Haha. How would you say that?
We laugh so hard.
Yeah.
Ulo nyang hing.
That's heavy.
Yes. It's a yellow. Ulo nyang hing.
That's hard. Oh, yeah, that's hard.
No, that's not how you speak in Hmong.
That's hard though.
No. You're supposed to say ulo nyang hing. That's understand?
That's heavy though.
Yes, but in the Hmong language, that's how you say it. Ulo nyang hing. What is it then? Ulo nyang hing. Ooh, on
Can't you
you.
just say hang?